gone. Someone took her.
For years, I tried to be understood. Everyone wanted an explanation. I gave them all of me. Until one day, I paused.
You can create mini movies or mini series like this using Google VEO3 for free because they give us 100 credits every month. To create this, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can start by Googling Flow, then you're going to get to Google Labs Flow and click to open it. It is going to tell you that yes, as a new user, you are going to get 100 monthly credits for free. That means you can create 5 gorgeous Google VEO3 videos for free every month. Today is the 30th of September. It's the end of the month, so I want to use up mine. I love creating using these AI tools and telling stories. I have a YouTube channel that helps me tell these stories. So I'm definitely going to use the 100 credits because tomorrow they're going to be gone and I'm getting not an addition, another 100 credits for the whole month. So once you've opened it up and you've logged in with your account, you're going to see that you have 100 AI credits to create videos using Google VEO3. You're going to start by creating a new project. So take note that if you don't follow the steps that we're going to be following together, you're going to lose up your credits if you don't look what it is that you're selecting. So the option is available for you to create from text to video. When you type up your text and you create a video, you can also use frames to video where you add frames and then you generate with text your video. So we're going to stick to text to video, but your options where you can select how to create the clip is over here where it says VEO fast or VEO quality. So there's a difference between the two. So let's start by creating a type of video. You're creating for YouTube, which is landscape, or are you creating your shorts, which is TikTok and YouTube shorts, as well as reels on Instagram, so you can decide the type of landscape or portrait format or the aspect ratio that you would like to use. Then you're going to move over to where it says to you output per prompt. Remember, every time you create a video, then you will use up 20 credits. So the last option I want you to be aware of is the VEO fast and the VEO quality. So again, look over here. If you click or you keep it at VEO3 fast, you're going to use 20 credits based on my settings, which is the one that I've selected. So if you select VEO3 quality, you will only create one video for the month because the VEO3 quality uses up 100 credits in order for it to create your video. So be very much vigilant when you're selecting the options so that you are able to create at least 5 videos a month. So I got ChatGPT to help me tell a story, and I got him to create clips for me that I can use on VEO3 to create this video. So one thing that VEO tells us is if you hover on audio, it will tell you that sometimes audio will not be generated in VEO3 clips. They are working to improve this. So sometimes it does, like the video that you saw earlier on when I was introducing VEO3 with the free credits at the beginning. Sometimes it does generate, sometimes it doesn't. So be aware of that. Of course, you have 11 Labs and DubDub. There's other software that you can use to create narration. So I'm going to paste my prompt over there. Make sure it is talking to what I want. I want an African woman. So ChatGPT has given me ways that I can make sure that it actually creates the African people that I want to create. So with a silhouette of a woman with braids, the tool will be able to identify this is an African woman. That is what ChatGPT says to me. So I will read it up nicely and tweak wherever I want to tweak. I just want to try the narration and see if the audio is going to work. I want it to be for years. I tried to be understood, and then you're gonna make sure it's exactly how you want it, and then you can press the enter button and then it'll start generating for you. So it doesn't take that long to generate. You just wait a bit and then it generates your video, and then you can create all 5 of your videos for your TikTok account or your YouTube channel, and then you have beautiful videos by VEO3. As a user, 100 credits per month. Great stuff. Our video is created. I'm just going to click on it to have a look. Awesome. Even the narration is there. I love it. Then now you can... So for now, you can like it, you can make it as a favorite, download it, or have a bigger view of the video, and then you can download it to use it wherever you want to use it. So there's the option to delete if you want to delete. Because we want to create a mini movie, we're going to click on Add to Scene to create it inside Google VEO Flow. Added it to my scene because I want to create the next video, since these clips that I'm creating are all for one video that's talking to a person that says they didn't change overnight. They realized at the end of it all that they don't have to explain themselves. Okay, so before I create this one, if you click on your profile, you'll see that I'm left with 80 credits because of the first video that I've created. So now I'm going to create the second one. Means that I'm left with 20 credits because I've created 4 clips. So if you click over here, you do have an option to click jump to when something happens and it adds the last clip. So you can pick any clip. When that happens, the scene jumps to, you have that option to do that. Another option is to extend. So you can extend the scene that you've selected by telling the AI what should happen next. And you can add an image, tweak it with Nano Banana. So Nano Banana is built in with this tool that you can use as you carry on building your frames. So I don't want to do that. I want to finish off my story. I'm still going to select text to video and then finish off the story. I can head over to arrange the scene if I want to arrange them, or I can download the clips into that 40-second movie that I've created, and my credits are finished. Question of the day: how are you going to be using Google Flow VEO3 today before the month ends? Because tomorrow we're getting new credits. The video is exported. Now we're going to download the video, and then our video is created, and on our downloads you can add whatever you would like to add on the video with using your software like your CapCut or your iMovie, whichever editing software, if you want to make it more than what it is.
For years, I tried to be understood. Everyone wanted an explanation. I gave them all of me. Until one day, I paused. I didn't change overnight. I just chose silence over justification. And suddenly, I became someone who no longer needed permission to be.